Beginning centuries ago, the stigmatization of curly and kinky hair across the African diaspora was a hallmark for the subjugation of Black people. In American culture, hair texture turned into a way to identify race, social status, eligibility for enrollment in school, suitability for employment, and even dating success. Enter the natural hair movement. Enter the unbothered movement. Black women of all descents increasingly give fewer and fewer about who thinks what about their hair choices. Get a weave, wear a wig, wear it out, lay your edges, don't lay your edges. Our hair, our choice.
Hi, my name is Sienna Linda, and I'm from San Diego, California.
And I'm Desi Williams. I'm from Peachtree City, Georgia. So much of our identity is wrapped up in our hair, and it's been that for me, for sure. But I'm finally at a place, I hope, where my hair doesn't really control me as much as it used to. I think even the past 12 months have been a big shift for me. Again, with not being able to go to the hair salon, my hair isn't done as often, and I've had to see my clients, many of who are like older white men, who I didn't know if they'd accept me as their physical therapist or as a professional if I didn't have my hair flat ironed or looking a certain way. But I found that it hasn't been an issue. I don't know if it's just because of the Black Lives Matter movement going on right now, but I feel like people still respect me. People still accept me. But I did have one guy a couple weeks ago ask me what was going on with my hair. And I was like, what do you mean? Like, this is my hair and it's natural state. There's nothing happening here. This is just what my hair looks like. So I've gotten to a point now where I can stand up for myself and stand up for the fact that like Black hair is different from your hair, and you've got to accept it the same way I accept you and how you are culturally different from me.
Yeah, my relationship with my hair definitely has allowed me to explore my Blackness, because I did kind of grow up thinking that I didn't relate to being Black because that wasn't immediately in my household. I grew up and started making Black friends, especially in college, and they kind of showed me, oh, your hair can be so versatile. You know, like you can get the braids and you can do completely different wigs, and you can get a sew-in, and you know, you can do so many different things, and there's ways to protect your natural hair as well in that same process. That's definitely allowed me to explore in my Blackness, which I'm so grateful for, because it is just such a vast like world of hair, and you know, it's always elevating. Techniques are always getting better. There's more tutorials, you know.
Yes, thank goodness for tutorials.
Thank goodness for the tutorials, and like hair companies like this one that allow you to go from not really knowing much to learning things, you know, that are important when it comes to your own hair care.
Right.
So yeah.
Yeah, it's a growing experience, and I think as we transform, it's like in our womanhood, I think it'll continue to grow and morph, and we'll learn more. But it is liberating to just be like, this is my hair.
Yeah.
And you might think it looks crazy, but
it's such a good feeling, right? To just walk out and do what you feel like doing and not apologizing for it.